Question number 96. We have the substrate ethanol C2H5OH treated with the reagent I2NaOH. We know that this is the reagent which is used in iodoform reaction when aldehyde you are taking here, but you have taken here ethanol. They are giving you A and B as the product and you need to identify A and B. So first of all, I just want to make it clear that when we talk about I2NaOH, a mixture of this can also act as oxidizing agent. And if it is so, first of all, this C2H5OH gets changed into acetaldehyde, ethanol. Now, when this ethanol is treated with I2 and NaOH, you know that iodoform reaction it is, and it results in the formation of HCOONa. Sodium formate would be formed and CHI3 would be formed. It means these are the two products those you will obtain. Say this is A and this is B. So what would be the correct answer? The correct answer is given in option 3. After this, we have the next question. Question number 97. Which of the following reactions will not produce amine as one of the product? First of all, we have to look at the given substrates and the reagent. Here we have RCN, alkyl nitrile we have. In the second option also substrate is alkyl nitrile. Third option we have amide, and in the fourth option we have haloalkane. Different reagents are given. Let's check what would be the products first of all. In option 1, RCN, alkyl nitrile we have H plus ion and H2O. It means acetic hydrolysis is done here, and here is the formation of carboxylic acid. It means this is not forming amine as the final product. It means this is the correct answer, but we need to check further options also. RCN treated with H2 and Ni, reducing agent, these are hydrogenation occur, and that results in the formation of RNH2 CH2NH2. Amine, once again it is formed. After that, RCONH2, amide is here. It is reduced using lithium aluminum hydride followed by water. It means it gets reduced to RCH2NH2. Once again amine is formed. Let's take next option, RCl, alkyl halide we have, ammonia is added to it, and yes, in this case also amine would be formed. So one option we are having here which is not forming amine as the product, and that's why that becomes the correct answer. After that, question number 98. A first order reaction is 50% completed in 30 minutes at 27 degrees Celsius and in 15 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. The activation energy of the reaction in kilojoule per mole is. So here we need to just check the relation between rate constant and activation energy, that is EA. It is EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. Now first of all we need the value of K1 and K2. So here I'm just considering that 30 minutes is the time there for the completion, half completion of the reaction. It means half life of the reaction is given. It means for the first case the half life T half is 30 minutes. And I'm just assuming that this is T half, that is 30 minutes. So K1 for this case is equal to 0.693 by T half, that is 30. While if I talk about K2, that would becomes 0.693 by 15. So what would be the relation between K1 and K2? In this case, the relation gets changed into K2 by K1. I'm just writing here. That would be equal to 0.693 by 15 divided by 0.693 by 30. And here it can also be written as this K2 by K1 is equal to 2. Now we have this relation. On the basis of this we'll solve further question. So here log 2 is equal to EA that you need to find out, divided by 2.303 into R. R value in joule per Kelvin per mole is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So I'll just write here in joule first, and then further if I just want to change it into kilojoule, I need to multiply 10 raised to the power minus 3 in this way. Now T2 minus T1, what is T here? This is temperature, and T2 is 37 degrees Celsius and T1 is 27 degrees Celsius. These are in degrees Celsius. Let's change it into Kelvin. So this 37 becomes 310 Kelvin and 27 becomes 300 Kelvin. So what's the difference? That is 10 Kelvin divided by 310 into 300. So this can be cut in this way. Now just solve this for the value of EA. Here this log 2 is given. What's the value of log 2? You know that 0.3010 I can take here, and these values will come here into 2.303 into 8.314 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, and then multiply 310 and 30 and just divide it by, and this value is equal to EA. Now if you solve this, you will find that EA value is approximately equal to 53.59 kilojoule per mole. And where this answer is given? This answer is given here in option 2, 53.6. And rounding off, you will get this, and the correct answer becomes option 2. After this, that we have here is question number 99. Number of nearest neighbors of Na positive in NaCl unit cell. If I talk about NaCl unit cell, that is FCC lattice, face centered cubic unit cell it is. In this case, Cl negative ions are present at the points and Na positive ions are there in octahedral voids. Now it means if a single Na positive ion is there in octahedral void, it will be joined with Cl in this way. It means 6 nearest neighbors are there. That's why I'll choose option 2 as my correct answer. After this, question number 100. Which of the following will undergo decarboxylation most easily? We know that carboxylic acid undergo decarboxylation reaction. If you check the given option and if you look at the option 4, you will see that here is beta keto carboxylic acid, and that beta keto carboxylic acid will definitely undergo decarboxylation most easily. That's why I'll choose option 4 as my correct answer. After this,